Road conditions are back to normal here in western Massachusetts after yesterday's blizzard affected the day's commute. 22 News reporter Nick Antonakis spoke with drivers this morning about how the aftermath of the storm affected their travels.
The streets are clearing, PVTA services are back up and running, and western Massachusetts commutes are returning to normal following the blizzard of 2026.
Going through Wilbraham on Boston Road, roads were clear and dry. I was in downtown Springfield this morning, and I was surprised how clear they were.
Governor Maura Healey lifted the state of emergency for Berkshire, Hampden, Hampshire, and Franklin counties today. She also announced truck travel restrictions have been lifted across all state highways north of and including I-93 and I-95. As of noon today, she also lifted those truck bans for counties in the South Shore and on the Cape and Islands. Rush Jones drives trucks for work and was limited by these restrictions yesterday.
Yesterday, we wouldn't have been able to go out on the road. We have the bigger trucks for distribution, so we wouldn't have been able to get out.
And today, the roads are much better for Jones here in western Massachusetts, but now he's off to Hudson.
No, I don't know about far out east by Boston area or Rhode Island.
Now, while the big blizzard is done and roads are looking a lot better than they were yesterday, commuters aren't completely out of the woods yet. Even though the snow is done falling, Jim Joyce hopes drivers are still being careful around his hometown of Munson.
The roads get narrower with the more snow we have, and people really need to be cognizant of that. You need to slow down, and you need to get over as far as you can on your side.
Working for you, Nick Antonakis, 22 News.